here at Carate. I'm getting ready to hit the beach. Seen spider monkeys, seen scarlet macaw. If you've never been on the collectivo, it's a hell of a ride. I can't even describe it right now. But here's the Pacific, and I'm getting ready to hit the beach, make a right turn, and I've got, I believe, about 4 hours of hiking in and out of the rainforest. One river to cross. Low tide is at 4, and I think right now it is right around 8. So we'll see how that goes. It's loose sand, 40 pounds on your back. It's not all that easy hiking, but this is definitely worth the strain. I may have mentioned it, but I have to reiterate, I just wish I would not have come here in the busy season because the crowds are kind of bringing me down. Oh gosh, I just woke up. This 39-year-old's worn out from this hike and I'm only halfway done. So, when you're tired, you take a nap. Jesus, I was out for 40 minutes. Time to gear up and get going. It's pretty interesting. My Paradise Beach just got a little more difficult. So here I am on the Sirena Trail. Just got off those pristine beaches into the actual rainforest, the beginnings of the trail into it. But I can still obviously hear the waves crashing, and you can see through the trees. It's still a pretty nice view, but fortunately I get to walk in the shade instead of that scorching sun because it's 10 a.m. and from now till 3 it's going to be a hot one. I've seen spider monkeys 3 times today. Saw a scarlet macaw, so I'm sure I'm going to see more. Oh cool, bananas. This is where you camp at Sirena. This is my tent. And right up there is where you enter Plains land here. If you go left, it heads to the ocean. There's a little here you have a roof over your head. You're elevated from the ground, and they do have padding that you can use. So I've got that underneath to sleep on.
As big as large chickens. Wow. And this guy is as big as a freaking turkey. I see him flush it out. Where'd you go? Oh, there's two of them. Yeah, that's a spider monkey. Pick one at a time, but there's 8 or 10 in this tree, chilling out.